This is amazing to hear good words. And my dear friends, I'm so happy that today is on an auspicious day. All of us got logged in exactly at 12. I mean, that is a moment which is a juncture of two parts of the day. What is the amazing thing that opens a path for us? And when a new path is being getting open for all of us, this gives me immense pleasure to tell someone or tell about someone to all of you. Have you ever seen a chartered accountant being a tycoon? Yes, I'm talking about Mr. Sanjay Bakliwal. Is a name who proved it happening and thus is a role model to the youth. Business is his passion, and developing any layman to an entrepreneur is his nature. In short span, he established several businesses to success. Staying daring during the most turbulent situations is what defines him as an icon. He is solution oriented and gives the mantra to bounce back in any tough situation with powerful leadership skills. His business conglomerate is a group of companies into different businesses, including consulting, estates, constructions, financial advisory, and education services. He supports progress and believes in the fact that growth of the team is always a priority. Nation building is the motto, education is the backbone, wealth in every home is his aim, and self-actualization is the mantra of our beloved Mr. Sanjay Bakliwal, sir. May I request you all to give a big hand for Sir Mr. Sanjay Bakliwal, Chairman, Founder, and Trustee of Bakliwal Foundations. Please give a warm welcome to Sir and a big hand.
Very good afternoon to all. At the outset, I would like to welcome my team, Bakliwal Foundations, and all the energetic and enthusiastic students. Very good afternoon to all. I personally would like to thanks to everyone who has kept faith in us by taking admission in this current academic year with Bakliwal Foundation. I don't want to give any motivational speech today because being today's induction day, I would like to give you the insight about our association. What exactly our association is going to keep beneficial for both of us. The very first point which I would like to mention that we as a Bakliwal Foundation would like to help in building up the character of each and every student, which will build the golden path for their success. What is like actually character means? It is like overall package which includes discipline, responsibility, punctuality, planning, implementation of deed as and when it is required. And with this kind of your approach, you can build a character which is going to be like a very, very important for your life. What is exactly, I personally say that the amount of enthusiasm, dedication or commitment which you are going to rest in us, we will multiply, we'll give it back with multifold. Take my word that overall personality which is you have got a chance to build in 3 years with us. This is very, very important for you for building up your career.
And now it's time for all of us to hear our beloved Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor Srinivasa Barakedi, sir, who is the Vice Chancellor of KKS, and we welcome you.
To one and all, very good morning, very good morning. and Mr. Bhaltiwal and Mrs. Seema Bhaltiwal, the principal of this college, and my colleagues of this college, my dear students, welcome to you for this new life. You are entering in your dream life. I know when I entered my college, I had lots of dreams. Really, I tell you, don't stop dreaming. No, dream is the motivation. Dream is the inspiration. Nobody else can motivate you. Nobody else can inspire you what you want to do in your life. Only your dream will take you forward. My dear friends, continue to dream, and with this dream, enter this new life of college. But at the same time, I want to tell you that this uh, life will not be for just enjoyment. This is the
God bless you all. Once again, thank you, Vice Chancellor Sir, our Chairman Founder Sanjay Bakliwal, Mangesh Sir, every students, and अगर आप पेरेंट्स भी सुन रहे हैं तो आप सबका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आप हम पर विश्वास कर सकते हैं कि आपके बच्चे यहाँ सुरक्षित रहेंगे, उनकी प्रोग्रेस में हम उनको पूरा सपोर्ट करेंगे, बट उनका भी हमें पूरा सहयोग चाहिए ताकि हम मिलकर ग्रोथ की बात कर सके. So yes, don't forget to follow our pages Insta and Facebook, क्योंकि तभी आप कनेक्टेड रहोगे, और जब तक बच्चे उसमें नहीं कनेक्टेड होंगे तो हम कैसे हम उसको वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज करेंगे. So for all the development what's going on in the college, you have to start following. I know many of you have already started, but still I request all to start following our both the pages of Insta and Facebook.
So I'd just like to share some new, I'd just like to introduce you to the college. Definitely everybody has visited the college. So we'll just share something and help you out to know more about the college as well. Can everybody see my screen? Please show me your thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You all have been to the college. This is the view how the college is going to be. Definitely it is in progress. Everybody has seen the college. This is how the interior will be looking. This is a place where you will accelerate your career. This is how the front view of the college building, your IT lab, your incubation center, and the game zone where you all children will be enjoying. We were established in 2010 with a legacy of 20 years. We are located in the heart of Navi Mumbai. Basically, we are in the center of Navi Mumbai, accessible from all the ways, from Central Railway or Harbour Railway or Trans Harbour Railway. We are in the center and the heart of Navi Mumbai. We all are aware that we are affiliated to Kavi Kulguru. One second. We are affiliated to Kavi Kulguru Kalidas Sanskrit University. It's a public university of Maharashtra. I'd like to introduce Ms. Anshul Sharma, ma'am. She's an achiever having 24 years of professional experience working into corporate as well as education industry. She is presently the director of Evolve Business School and also the vice principal of Bakliwal Foundation College. Her educational qualification stands by being an MBA from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar University in Aurangabad in the year 1997. She is a commerce graduate from Rajasthan University in the year 1995. She has also been awarded and facilitated by various organizations for her contribution in the field of education, training, and CSR. Being socially well connected and conducted various virtual sessions by utilizing the lockdown period. The most dear to her heart is sharing space with Dr. Kiran Bedi on Women's Day, which you all have seen. I welcome a friendly, motivating, and very inspiring to join us and brief us more for the college and the rules and regulations. We welcome Anshul ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Shobha ma'am, for this wonderful introduction. And I'm really, really excited to welcome all of you for your wonderful choice for your education and for their career. and many things have already been shared by the management team and by our eminent speakers and even by the honorable vice chancellor of our university. So many things to see and go through. और सभी लोग एक ही बात पे insist कर रहे हैं that your 3 years journey is going to be amazing and amazing. And so far till 12th, you might have studied only education. But here in Bakliwal Foundation College, the word that we have coined is edutainment, wherein it is a gamification of education. And as said by even our honorable chairperson sir, wherein he was talking about when you are educating, do it in a fun way.
I, Seema Bakliwal, on this auspicious day, solemnly take this oath. I assume that you all are repeating the line. That I will stay sincere to my profession, to my career. I will always deliver my responsibilities with adequate contribution. I will pursue my studies to the best of my ability. I will conduct with dignity and will strive at all times to bring honor and respect to my profession and to my college, Bakliwal Foundation. I will always with and for my country, India. Thank you so much.